That's exciting. I did not know we were going to be on the river, so that's very exciting. Wow. Well, hey, hey. All right, we're here. Oh my God, this is weird. We've been sleeping in the RV for 2 weeks already.
Tuesday will be.
So 2 weeks in the RV. This will be nice. Get a nice little fresh bed, fresh showers. We'll get to do some laundry. We deserve it. And we'll charge up everything. Let's go inside. We are at our Airbnb in New Mexico, and I'm gonna give you a little room tour. Well, actually, Holly's gonna give you a room tour. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to our casita. Because we're going to the caverns tomorrow, we pretty much had to book an Airbnb because Waffles cannot stay in the RV while we're in the caverns, but she also can't come into the caverns. So this was a requirement. However, I'm very excited because we have a lot of laundry to do, and I really just want to take a really hot, long shower and sleep in a bed where I'm not up against the wall. So let's check out our little house and make sure it has all three of those things. So when you first walk in, you walk into a really nice living room. I know Andrew is dying to get one of these couches in our house, so maybe he'll win me over this weekend. We've been kind of at a lack for comfy furniture in the RV, so anything is better than our little dinette in there. Plus they have this huge TV, and whether they have cable or not, I'm sure we'll be catching up on all of our YouTube friends. And it looks like they even have a fireplace down here. It's pretty warm right now, so I don't think we'll be using the fireplace, but we will be using the AC, which is already on and blasting. It feels amazing. So then off of the living room, there's a master bedroom and a master bath. So we'll start with the master bedroom over here. They've got this super plushy, I think it's a queen size bed. Whatever it is bigger than what's in the RV. So this is great. And it's so cute, and just like the decorations in here, it feels like a house. Like, I don't necessarily feel like we're staying in a hotel. It really feels like a house. Really, one of the big benefits of Airbnbs is that it feels cozy. Like I said, I'm looking forward to a very long, hot shower, and this shower is like 3 times as big as the RV. So super excited to shower, and Waffles desperately needs a bath. They've also got just like really cool features in here. It really gives that New Mexico vibe. Feel like we're living like the locals here in New Mexico. Let me just say, that would have been enough for us. A living room, a bedroom, and a bathroom. It's already so much bigger than the RV. But we have a whole second half of the house over here. So they've got this full dining room set, which is gonna be great. We've got some editing to do, and I have to work on Tuesday before we check out. So this will be really convenient workspace here. And it's just, again, like the New Mexico vibe is really like all throughout the house. They've got like different decor, they've got really cool pictures. Even like the woodwork of the house is just, it really gives that New Mexico vibe. I'm really liking it. And then there's this full kitchen. I don't think we were planning to do any cooking, but like maybe we will, because there's just so much in here. They've got a full stove and an oven and a microwave, which we do have in the RV, but you know, we can only use it when our generator's running, so we don't use it too often. And my absolute favorite part, the first thing that I saw when we walked in here, was this coffee bar. They've got coffee, they've got sugar, they've got like different syrups and teas and just everything we could want for coffee over the next few mornings. But the room that is going to get the most use is the laundry room. We have 2 weeks worth of laundry just piled up in the RV, ready to be washed. So I'm actually gonna go get that right after we do this tour and start our first load of laundry. Probably the most unique thing about this Airbnb, and the thing that made me book it, was that we are right on the river. They have a really nice dock out here, and we have like beach chairs up in our unit so that we can bring them down here and just like watch the boats go by and the jet skis. I had no idea though that it was like a usable lake.
Today's that day. We are going to the caverns. We just packed up everything, got ready. We're gonna leave the dog here. She's watching a movie on Netflix. We're about 40 minutes out. Our time is slotted for 11:30 this morning, and I'm looking forward to finding out what it's all about.